Let's talk about electrician pay in Benin. On average, an electrician in Benin earns around $2,600 a year. After tax takes a share, that leaves $2,200 for take-home pay, which brings home roughly $183 every month. While that's the national average electrician salary in Benin, workers in Cotonou usually see higher average electrician pay, where earnings reach $2,600 after tax. That sounds better, but living expenses in Cotonou take a bigger bite out of electrician wages, so the advantage drops quickly compared to smaller towns. On top of location, experience plays a major role, because entry-level roles start well below the average electrician income before rising early on. Pay usually levels off after a few years, unless you take on more responsibility. That's why having a university degree makes a big difference, even though local jobs do not always require one. Getting higher qualifications helps you move up into better roles, such as electrical supervisor or maintenance manager. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring helps you earn noticeably more. So how much does an electrician make in Benin over a career? It really depends on location, training, and specialized work.